ClipTurn, verified video rotation. In File Explorer, right-click a video, choose ClipTurn and rotate. Progress stays visible, then Explorer refreshes the corrected thumbnail. For finer control, open ClipTurn, preview the turn and save. The original is replaced only after the result is verified. File Details shows exact media facts and the verification receipt. For batch work, add one video with the button. Then return to an ordinary tab and drop several more anywhere in the window. ClipTurn routes them to batch rotate without discarding the loaded preview. Run 5 mixed formats together. The 3 videos ClipTurn can preserve are replaced only after verification, while ProRes and MPEG pause safely for review. Review both recommendations. ProRes gets a lossless display orientation copy. MPEG gets a physically rotated H.264 copy. Both originals stay untouched. Recent Jobs keeps replacements and reviewed copies clear. System Capabilities shows available decode and encode paths. Settings control safety, backups, concurrency, and appearance. Choose Dark, and the app updates instantly. ClipTurn, turned, verified, done.